Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the truth about making money with Clickbank. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you the truth about making money with Clickbank. Right now, Clickbank is one of the most popular marketplaces. Why? Because you have tons of products under different categories. So it doesn't matter in which niche you are, you're going to find several products that you can start promote. Let's say they're going to be here on the health and fitness. Okay, what most people do when they decide to go ahead and start with affiliate marketing, they're like, okay, I'm going to promote this product, and boom, I'm going to promote this one. Because they sort it out by popularity. My suggestion is go ahead and sort it out by categories, by gravity. Why? Because gravity means that there's more than one people who is making money with this product. The other thing that I check it out is the initial sales value or the average sales. I usually put this between $200 or $500. Yes, don't panic. There are high ticket commissions products here on Clickbank. Don't be scared. You can promote a high ticket product. Okay, it doesn't matter. Don't worry, because the same amount of time, the same amount of effort that you're gonna take to make these sales, it's gonna be the same amount of effort. Let's put things into perspective, because I want you guys to understand this. Let's say that I'm gonna be promoting this product in which I'm making $35 per sale. I just make 10 sales an entire month, so I'm going to be making $350. But if I go ahead and promote a product in which I'm going to be making $500 per sale, and I make the exact amount of sales, I'm going to be making $5,000. Okay, I just want you to take that into consideration. And by the way, if you want to learn more about how to promote affiliate marketing, but I mean high ticket products that are going to change people's life, I'm going to leave a link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Now, let me go back to Clickbank. Another thing that I take into consideration whenever I'm promoting a product, especially if you're just getting started and you don't know how to do email marketing and that kind of stuff, hey, go ahead and check out and make sure that the product have an affiliate page and they do have an affiliate support contact. Why? Because if you have some questions about this product and how to market it, you can reach someone. The other thing is that most of the time on this page, the affiliate page, they provide you the keywords. Sometimes they do have the lead magnet that you can use. They are going to provide you the email sequence. If you are blogging, they're going to give you an article that you can put on your blog. My suggestion, do not copy and paste it. Rewrite it, okay? Put it on your own style, your own words. Okay, if you speak any other language, you can check out here the language. If you want to get a one-time commission, you want to get a recurring commission, you want to give people a $1 trial, here are the options. And remember that the product must have an affiliate tool page. If you see the people or the products in which people are making the most amount of sales, all of them have the affiliate page. Okay. Now that you identify the niche that you want to jump in, the best product you have, everything, you need to have a system. Okay, this is how professional affiliate marketers make money, by building a system. Everything starts with the traffic source. And let me put a little pause here. All the traffic sources works. It doesn't matter if you're doing or using social networks to drive traffic, or if you are, doing search traffic using YouTube, Pinterest, Google, by blogging, everything works. Free traffic, paid traffic, everything works. Free traffic, you need to put time. Paid traffic, you need to put money. but you need to stick to one traffic source. Yes, it is amazing to have different traffic sources, but you need to put emphasis just on one, master it, and then move to the other one. Okay, let me say it again. You're gonna choose one. Okay, pick one, master it, and then you're moved to the second one. Why? Because if you're trying to do a lot of things at the same time, you're not gonna make money. You're not gonna achieve anything. Okay, I want to be real on this. So choose one, master it, and then move to the next one. Okay, while you already have the traffic source, then you need to have an opt-in page. What are you gonna put on this opt-in page? What are you gonna promise? Remember that if the product have an affiliate page, they provide you the lead magnet. Okay, that's how you're gonna capture people's name and email. This is the very first transaction. People are gonna pay you with their name and email address, with their information, in order to get this lead magnet. Then you're gonna send them to the thank you page, which is not gonna be a thank you page. It's actually gonna be a bridge page. You're gonna let them know that you're gonna send them the report, the PDF, the access to the course via email, but you're gonna refer them to the product that you're promoting. My suggestion, purchase a product, test it out, try it out. I know there is a lot of people out there who are promoting products that they don't have any idea. That's not my style, okay? I'm showing you my style. So test it, and on the bridge page, create a video promoting it, telling people how the product benefits you, how it can benefits them, how it can solve their problem, or create a small article inviting them to go ahead and purchase the product. Then you're gonna refer them to the product page. There are gonna be some people who are gonna buy, there are gonna be people who are not gonna buy. That's normal, but you already captured their name and email. So you're gonna start doing an email sequence. Okay, most people know this, but most people get disappointed because they are just promoting one product and they're like, hey, this is not working for me, blah blah blah. No, the thing is that you need to understand that this is a business, and as a business, you need to be promoting more than one product. There's going to be a main product that you're going to be promoting on the front end, which is actually this funnel. But there are going to be other products, complementary products that you're going to be promoting on the back end. Not everyone is going to buy your first product, but try to send them anything between 7 or 10 emails promoting them, the first product, building a relationship with them. If they don't buy it, that's cool. If they buy it, that's great. But you are going to have other products that you're going to be promoting here on the back end. As I told you, here on Clickbank, you have several categories and you have tons of products. So if you don't buy the first one, you're going to have a system in place that is going to be promoting other products for you. The money is in the list. Okay, the money is in the list. And before I forget, if you want to create this system, I do have 3 recommendations for you. My number 1 recommendation, go ahead and try Builderall. It's a 7-day free trial. It's an all-in-one marketing solution. You can create your website, funnels, do email marketing. You can even do chatbots, webinar, etc. The second tool that I suggest you, it's called Kartra. Kartra is an all-in-one marketing solution as well, but they don't call it funnels, they call it campaigns, and everything is integrated. So whenever you are creating a campaign, the system creates the email sequence and everything. So you just need to replace it with your information. It's super simple to set it up. I'm gonna leave a link below if you want to give it a try. And ClickFunnels, I'm not currently using ClickFunnels, but I understand that ClickFunnels is a super popular product. If you want to test it out, I'm gonna leave a link below. Okay, these are my 3 recommendations. Check them out and keep the one that is gonna, be best with you. Okay, so now that you have the system, that you have the system up and running, you are gonna be making money. Let's think like McDonald's, okay? When you get into McDonald's, chances are that you're gonna buy a hamburger. Well, you know, when you're about to pay, they offer you for a Coke, for a milkshake, for a dessert, if you want a French fry. So that's the way how they make the return on their investment. You need to do the same. There are going to be people who are going to buy your first product, the front end product, and that's okay. If you don't break even there, you know, you have your email sequence and people are going to keep buying your other products. Okay. There are people who are going to buy every single product that you offer. That's okay. There are going to be people who buy every now and then, and there are going to be people who just purchase one or two products for you. But you need to give them options. This is the real way how you can make money with Clickbank. I know a lot of people are not telling you this, but yes, this is how you actually make money with Clickbank. Well, if you have some questions, some comments, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I see you on the next video.